Say if something happen to me, you not come round. If something happen to me, you not come round. I don't know what again else to do. What me I got through now, me I got through since the month of April. Check with me. April, me could say me. May, June, July, August, September, October, I don't know. 6 months, I may have got through ras. I was involved in a relationship for 1 year and 3 months. Not a long time, that is not a long time. 1 year and 3 months me involved with somebody. As me say, everything what me do, in the person's opinion, I ruin their life. And I this me I do to them. And I that me I do to them. And because of what me I do to them, what gonna happen to me and what gonna happen to me. So you know, say me I deal with a narcissist, yes, so. Me find myself involved with a true narcissist. And me say me I face it. Me say me I face it last night. Me I talk to somebody and somebody I said to me, say, Wally, you good on pa your knee them and pray. You good on pa your knee them and pray. Me never lie to the person. Because me are on a big prayer. When me a go on my bed at night time, me talk to God in the farm at where me know, you know. But like would I hear somebody a pray and have them words, you can't flow like a song and this and that. Me not have the ability to do it. And God forgive me, but me pray and me say me look much when me have to say to God. Me say me look much when me have to say to God. But the person I tell me say, Wally, all when people are pray for you, you know. Nothing beat the prayer where you yourself go down on your knee and pray to God, you know, me say, Jesus Christ. When me hear that, it take another tool for me, because me say to myself, say, boy, even though me will talk to God little, even though me talk to God little, me know say, alright, me no put on them the prayer there yet. So right now, me know say, alright, I God alone. Me say, everything when me I do right now, including this life, may be another wrong decision. Because as me say, if I from me I go through this still now. Me know pretty much a whole heap of people never did I go through this so long. Me know from heaven to earth say, whole heap of people never did I go through this so long when me I go through. Me say, me in a relationship for 1 year and 3 months. Down towards the latter end of the relationship, me start feel like say the relationship is not working out for me. I thought this morning me really not care. So please me I beg on nobody to message me like me say. Because me I share my story. When me I go through right now, enough people never did I go through it so long. Me I go through a relationship breakup. Hold on, Trisha. Just hold on. Hold on, darling. Hold on. I am telling my story. Give me a minute. It is going to take a while. I am going through a breakup since March. April, me no say the aggression start, so me say me I go kick it off at me. Throughout the tail end or the last few months of the relationship, me feel like it is not working out for me. Now, when a man and a woman enter into a relationship, both parties will understand say they don't own each other. So at any given moment as a woman, a man can want left whether I find a next woman or whatever the case may be. If a man cheat by your way, if he want left, as a woman most time all you have to do a ball and ball and ball till you want dead if you want. You're not go dead. After a storm it must be a calm, you must get over it. I have been through two in my Facebook life where anybody know me from Whoppi Kill Philip leading to today probably have seen me in motion, because when it good me no hide it, and when it bad me no hide it neither. So me go through two breakup where me never take well. And as a woman, all you could do a ball and ball and ball and ball and ball and no say right at that, because guess what? As a woman, you can't go kill the man. You can't go beat up the man to make the man come back to you. You can't go beat the man to stay with you. So as a woman, you have to hold your hurt and go on. Based on this breakup. Now, as me tell you this, me watch this on TV all the time. Me a share my story this morning, and me a tell us one phone call when me talk to somebody this morning. And this is somebody who this man conversates with. And just the griminess and the gruesomeness of this thing here. Me know say immediately I have to change something, because one thing me know. Me no want dead. Me no want no boy take me life. Me no want lose me life left the one picking where God give me. Him a big boy, but we know how he go already, and every pitney grow up and run down the fast lane and reach out the fast. For me wanna still pitney even though him a big boy. So me still have to have him under my wings. Oh God, hold on. Jesus Christ. Anyways, any negativity, chances are it's the person I am involved with a fake page. I am 100% certain that the person is here. My son a pass, so me I gotta be quiet because I don't want my son pick up what I go on. Body in everywhere, I say, Wally, what are you waiting on? Excuse me. What are you waiting on? You go wait for we get a phone call say you're dead in your yard, or you're dead out a road, or you're dead based on this individual and in threats them and how serious him a get before you get the police involved. Remember months and months, you know. And me a try my very best, because at the end of the day, me a try to understand and put myself in a somebody else's shoes. All when the situation a take me literally under the ground, me still a put myself in a the other party shoes. And I tell myself say, alright, me no really want. Me a think to myself say, alright, me go through break up already and me know the pain way feel like. When somebody separate from you prematurely and you never ready. Me know the pain where that caused me already. Me feel like me there got dead. So with me bearing in mind, and me I think to myself, say, alright, low key, at this the person I got through. But at the same time, because them a man, and I one of them type of man they, them a take it in the wrong way where them a get evil with it. So me I try to give time and I give time, because me I say time of the master. Time of the master, and over a period of time, he must tired one night time and stop. He must tired one night time and stop. And me I tell you, say no stopping no then here. No stopping no then here. It continues, it continues, it continues, it continues. Me tired Me tired of it. Me tired of it. On the 21st of October, me reach me limit. The 21st of October, me reach me limit and decide, say, alright, me finally have to make that phone call. Me finally have to make that phone call. Me no know, Slims, there's no friends at the moment. The whole situation of what has been going on with me and him throughout the months, it had cut ties with friends in a all different type of way. Remember, we are in October, you know. Me I tell you, say, from May, June, July, August, September, so all through them the time there, with people gradually knowing and finding out. Because if you don't know, no sister 1 and 2 times, me squeal one little sitting on Facebook. And when me under pressure, me will write one little something. And anything when me ever write, in name can do. Leave me till if me a come round, me say it no. But telling you his name, what is that going to do? What are you going to be able to do by knowing his name? Fatal attraction is what it is. So me say me I go through it now for months. Me ball and me complain to he, she and the whole lady. Me try every strategy. Me try to talk to everybody, to talk to him. Everybody talk to him. Numbers and numbers upon people talk to him in a good way. Nobody not talk to him in a bad way. He get to one point where all my friends, them me wind up coming like me lose. Out of my frustration with the situation. Because me feel like one night time maybe all my friend them could have helped me out of it. At the end of the day, everybody come round to no one do nothing with it. And can't do nothing with it. So it boiled down and left come back around to me. Remember, you know, all when somebody talk little bit and talk little bit on the other side, give them like everything is alright, and the other side give them like that the other side is such a manipulator and such a narcissist that him able to convince some that alright, I know the breakup where we are go through cause for this to happen. I know the breakup are wicked, me wicked and a destroying life. So there and then all the life where me I go this morning our next pressure me I care for myself now because I go here say me destroying life because me go live pan him. So in other words, me fi stay behind the scenes and suffer in a silence, suffer in a silence, suffer in a silence, suffer in a silence, and I no say nothing and it can't work. Because me say me reach me limit. Me say me reach me limit. No, I mean I has never laid hands upon me before. Because I will never tell lie upon the young man. Somebody asks me that. No, he never lay hands upon me throughout the whole relationship. We never necessarily had a fight. Remember, my son a big boy in the house, so there and then now, even if you understand, but he never come off as no violent person for really a try to fight. So this whole side of the individual has came on since the breakup. The whole side of the individual, when me I tell you, say, it scare me to the level where a pure devil. I have never heard the word devil so much in my entire life. The man a call down devil upon himself. The man a welcome devil in himself. The man a welcome the devil in his thoughts. This young man need help too. This young man need help too at the same time. Because me I tell yourself, after months and months and everybody feel like say, oh, Wally, with all the way you go through the police you forget involved. And the police you forget involved. Me I say me no want get no police involved. Number one, me know say alright, this a man you have paperwork galang in Zagwan. This a man you have paperwork galang in Zagwan, so me I use see me conscience. Despite our reach me and the terror night and day, the harassment, the hundreds of murder texts and stabbing texts, and me I go stab you with this, and me I go juke you with that, and me I go kill you brawling in a crowd, and me I go this and me I go that. When me say take a toll for me, brother. It take a toll upon me because me I tell you say before this me never experienced no level and no type of badness and no type of not like this, man. So me I try to tell you say for months and months and months when everybody done say Wally a police, you have to get the law involved. And me say me still a try to bear the young man in mind. Me still a try to bear the young man in mind. No say I go through all paperwork and I try to bear it out. And I try to tell myself say alright, time I go fix this thing here with time. The young man I go ease off. The man nah ease off. None at all. The man nah ease off. None at all. So upon the 21st of October, I reach my limit. Remember, me telling us, me try everything, Me try to get decent people to talk to him. Me try to get his friends to talk to him. Me try to find family member. One family member me find. Mother did really want to get in contact with the mother because the young man tell me say mother a Christian from him born and a grow, and me feel say sometimes mothers have impact on these men. So me trying everywhere to reach the mother from down a Ochoria Center where they come from and to make the woman know what go on. To see if the woman can ball pan him and beg for him and pray for him come out of this mindset away inna because the young man in a evil mental mindset right now, and his only target is me. So this young man sit down and plot day in day out which way him a go able if he can take me out. So on the 21st of October me reach my limit. I'm a dial 911. Me dial 911. Me call the police. Me tell the police them what is happening to me. Normally is a report you figure the station go make. To the way how me reluctant, me grown it because as me tell you say me never want get the young man involved with police. Me no love police galangins. So me go so bams now. Me grown it because as me tell you say me never want get the young man involved with police. Me no love police galangins. So me go so bams now. And me call the police. As me say, me call the police because me reach my limit and me realize say nobody can help me. Because me say the good, the bad and the ugly try to talk to him. And every feedback when me get is Wally, this young man cannot be helped. So you have to protect yourself. Me call the police reluctantly. When me call the police and the police come now, obviously is a report me I make of what is going on with me. Obviously is a report me I make of what is going on with me. We are going with me for the last 6 months. When people see me per weekend and say me might have kin me teeth and me sorrows me a John. Me is a happy-go-lucky girl and never face nothing like this in my entire life. The amount of people say Wally you have to get a gun. All know me no mentally prepared to get a gun because me no mentally prepared for shoot nobody. Me no mentally prepared for shoot nobody. So me no get none of me things say this morning or the morning when me goodly have to go get one. That are the how much me drive over the edge. Me call the police and me make the report. Police ask me what is going on with me. I don't tell no lie on the individual. What I have been going through when me know. Me I go through a breakup too much. This young man is not taking it lightly. So he trick me life night and day. He start me night and day. Drive up and down by me yard night and day. Franny have a steering wheel in me. Me have to outside. Me sit down right now on my house front, And every vehicle when me hear the engine from down the road, me have to stand up and look up and down, Because any given minute I can't him and him no live nowhere near us, And me I tell him about night and day, Me catch him on video over and over, You understand? Every catch based on what you're telling me is that you're telling me try not drop me guard because you try to get you try. If you catch me off guard, me have 1 million texts in my phone of what and the gruesomeness of what might happen to me when you catch me off guard. It has gone to some of the times when you say, I know him a do this at the devil. That take me fear to another level, because me no want to hear nothing about the devil. Me no want to hear nothing about the devil. Gone to some of the times when you say, I know him a do this at the devil. That take me fear to another level, because me no want to hear nothing about the devil. Me no want to hear nothing about the devil. Me no want to hear nothing, so you know, say, alright, it's a different level of madness me I deal with. And me say, me still decide to live my life for 6 months, you know, say, alright, before me get the police, me rather take heed every time me a come out. Every time me go road at night time, people have to drive and follow me come on me yard at night time. For see, say, me walk my garage and run go in at my place. Me in at my place, lie down and watch sitting on my phone, me have to turn it down low till me can hear it. To the way me feel these past days now, like any day gunshot can come through me window. And them the way they me I live at my yard. Me not have nobody at my yard more than me and me picking. Me not have family in there. You see me? You not do me nothing. Why you go drive this kind of when you ready you would have tell people, oh, me not do or nothing. If in a me, them a fear away I driving a me better you the hold me somewhere 4 months ago and beat up me bumbuckler and me know say alright. Them the pain they done. Them a pain you way I driving a me physically, emotionally, me mentally drained. Me mentally drained. You see me? So me call the police. Tell the police what happened with me say over the past months. You know, say alright, him a threat my life. Me have the whole heap of text message them in my phone for sure. The man got a guns and the man take the report. The young man buy gun, the young man show me the gun, tell me say feel me the gun, send bullet gun, show me, pull just craziness. Just craziness. Just craziness. You understand? Me ready to let out my cat out of the bag because I know what you have over me. I am going to let out my own bumbleclad skeleton in my own fucking closet. That's how bad this is reach. Because me find out say now say you are share things and video and something for your page and I try. How could you be knowing what you do to yourself? Or you just do what you do and make everybody know say your mother you do what you do no. But why would you try to give people a side like say alright that's something me do to you? Up till now if you talk to 1,000 persons, you cannot tell them your side. When you tell them how me and mash up your life with a girl call police for me dog. How many months me a bear this before me call police? How many months me a bear this before me call police? But you would want to give people the impression, oh, a girl a mash up my life, dog. A girl call police for me. And everybody a say, boy, bad to bad, yo. She should call police for you. You know how much it take out of me did for dial 911? You know how much it take out of me did for make up my mind and dial 911? You know how much it took out of me for reach to for dial 911? You understand? Everybody come America, everybody a do their little something what them a do. A half. When me call the police now and I hope say alright that I go slow down something. It no slow down nothing. It no slow down nothing. After me go so bombs now make a police report now. Let me tell you the type of mind games. Let me tell you I tell you say as me say me go live this morning, you know why? Me get to find out today there with the police incident. You post that by your social media and would want to give impression like, yo dog, you get up a mount a police a girl call for me dog and I'm going to learn for no say you do me this level of evil yeah. And you're still out there trying to curve somebody else's mind a different way. That is the straw will break the camel back. There are a lot of people who have the mindset like me no owe people no explanation. Anything people think make them go on with it. I think that is a good trait to have, but unfortunately me no have it. Me like to make people know exactly what I want. So you can't fool nobody and nobody that think no fuck shit for me and think say okay, oh well he really a mash up a boy life and really we can call police for the boy and the boy not do him nothing. The boy just come feel lawn more. And in card that no, me not go out with nobody thinking of me like that. I am not going to go out like that. Me nah go out like that. So anyways now, when me show him the little piece of the police sitting for making you say, alright, police involved, or me couldn't have that the paper there. He start with things, you really call police for me, you really do that, no, say me have my paperwork, so you know what fuck me more than anything else? Things like that. This is somebody that drive you to the point of no return and know what them a do. And when you decide to take any little piece of action, then go so bamstone and try to make you feel like you really are. Do you think me want to do this? You think say if me the want to do this, this would not months and months and months and months and months. You think this wouldn't happen months or months? See somebody there. See one person named First Lady Clark Dunn stand there commented this is him. So I don't know if this is the him from it what a fake page. So me pressure me now with that for make me feel like say alright what me I do. You know so you think about for somebody they are foreigner you might have get themselves in a trouble for make them go back to Jamaica. Me no want all of that for me. Me no want all of that from me so him. Me no want all of that for me so there and then. The lawnmower stuff here, me no know what I never remember them. Hey, 2 something Japan 5-3 for the van top a while ago, you see, brother. Chacha, what me I tell you, say a man who that. Me say me I live like a wanted man. Me I live like me kill somebody and police a hunt me. And that the way that me I live jumpy and scary. Me go road weekend, yes. And me can go road per weekend. You know why me can go road weekend? Because every security knows what is going on. So every security from them see me enter in a party, they know say from this young man a come in. Then if you search him and search him properly. Of course when me go in a party, me I go turn up round crew and crowd. So you know mad enough you can charge for me. Number one, when me in a party and in them for me, yeah, you know take off where you in position. So me always then near amidst a crowd and everybody around know what is going on. So me he told somebody, oh she afraid and they a party every weekend. Me a no idiot. Me know so you can't do me nothing in a party because any security would have make you come through with a knife or a razor or anything and do me nothing in a nowhere me no dead. Me sorry for y'all who know. You understand? So this is our next thing me make it clear because this man a not tap me from God road neither. So there and then anywhere where me there and this young man a come in here and do no job. Do no job and search this young man here properly. You understand? So me can't do that because when a time for me go me car, me can't walk, go me car with 10 people. And when then 10 people can follow me yard and me can't come in. So that is why me can't go to Bamsanga Road. So with me say the police report now when me look me say alright this team is on. So well as me say the lawnmower me reach now. Because of the whole lawnmower video where him post make me winding up and come live right now. The lawnmower now, as me say the lawnmower there for months after the breakup and me no hear nothing about it. But you know when you grasp the straw, you look one next sitting for make mischief about and make mischief in mind run pan the lawnmower. So maybe about Monday or either and I say, more me lawnmower, more me something them no, more them no. So me I try to say them in a me storage. And me can't open me storage myself. And me yard no set up like when enough people usually come one time when me can't just get a man to come go open me storage. So me really have to wait till a man come around or me literally get somebody to come help me open the storage. So there and then now the no now go work with the lawnmower. Me know personally say I never need the lawnmower if you do nothing right now. But you know how the situation they go, you want anything to make mischief with. So there and then you want the lawnmower, no. You want the lawnmower, no, right? So, me go so bums now and say the lawnmower can't go on that the day there because nobody not there. Me call my friend Zenora the Tuesday, me I tell Zenora say them are a rant about the lawnmower. She said to me, say when me come off of work, me will come help you to get out the lawnmower and whatever and then come get the lawnmower. Because if I make mischief, I'm going like you want it. No. Either ways, I think at the Wednesday now me call the police. Thursday morning now after me call the police, he ended up message me and say me out the door your garage open because me barely left the garage crack. And me want me lawnmower now and me nah left till me get me lawnmower. Now this young man down here clearly say the lawnmower no in me garage, you know. This young man knows say alright clearly. The lawnmower door in my garage. So there and then now with him, yeah, just the night before when me finally make a report when me is at a point of no. The fear when in me when night come fi make it from my door fi make it. So my time want tell my son say Tyreek open the door with me. And then again me I say why me fi call me pick fi come open the door like if me fi meet fi me 6 o'clock out the door. And chances are me pick me out then come get gunshot too. So there and then now he make me just want left me child out tight. You make me want you make me want left. Oh, Jesus, me say me hate some people, you see, man. Jesus Christ. Some of them just come like one big blood clot waste of life. Some of them just come like one big waste of life. So me go so bams now. Me go so bams now when the police then come here I said, cause remember saying did a haunt me about the lawnmower in idea, you know. So when me do call the police, make a report now. When the reporter done now, me I said to the police, me say, sir, me have some lawnmower equipment for him because of course me I try to find out how the handing over the lawnmower go. Because when him mother like he want get to me now, you cannot check before when you hold me what you go do, what you go do. And me I go make you pull up now and me and you drive go my storage. Go take out lawnmower. That now go happen. So there and then I must somebody go get the lawnmower for you can come get the lawnmower. Me and you can meet for get the lawnmower. So there and then now he insists I want. So when the police then come now, me decide say alright. Me now want them our lawnmower for do a goddamn thing. Mother does a be spiteful and wicked for you try to say, alright, me go hold on for your lawnmower. Because the lawnmower they leave here how much months now and me still have to pay for cut me yard. Because me now go to door go push lawnmower, my son now go they go push it either. When a $40 for cut yard. You see me? So there and then now, me I said to the police, say, me have this young man lawnmower equipment and me want to find out how me did that. So when my friend come from work, she by me I said that the policeman cut me off and in the police exact words was. Some of them get black right now. Me a black couple people now. So there and then even probably even was a fan. But based on certain things you wanna say you black immediately because you don't have no sense. You don't go about things the right way. And what some of them do right now is not what me want to do. It's not. Didn't she just say she didn't want to say the person name? I mean, some people just come like dog bed. Some people just come like dog bed in a real life. So anyways now, so when me I try to tell the police say, the lawnmower exchange I go, the policeman cut me off in my truck and said to me, say, that is not how that goes. If he wants the lawnmower, let him call the police for the lawnmower. That's how the police cut me off in my tracks and said to me, right? The police said to me, say, if no, ma'am, that's not how that be. Me no know if them say like how you reach to the point now where you make a report now and stuff like that. No lawnmower transaction can go on with whatever. So if him want the lawnmower making and the next breath, Me have to hear the level, you know, when somebody a degrade you. Me have to hear the level of degrade, how me dirty, how me stink, how me back a hot, me how me this, and how me just a level. Remember me I tell you, know, people want to understand what this me I go through, you know. And me I tell you, know, how what happened. We break up. And the breakup just not going well. This young man can't tell nothing when me do to him prior to breakup. We not break up because him cheat on me or me cheat on him. If him even did a cheat on me never hear him, me no know. And me ain't cheat on him. So we not break up for that. We break up because me and you not see eye to eye. And me see you good on a pathway. You know, pleasing with me, so me take myself away from it. And that's all me know. But if him was to tell somebody, oh, the woman a mash up my life, dog, you man call police, yeah, talk about something where does happen right fucking now. Yeah, talk about something where happen right now when a months, yeah, do what you do to me. Months away you do to me. So, with the lawnmower exchange now, and the police come for a second time, me still delay for go take the restraining order because me I said to myself, say, alright, Franny definitely see the police them now. Franny definitely see the police them now. More than likely, him not gonna know how far the situation is with the police. So there and then, that might make him cool off. So for day one, after me call the police them, me still a drag my foot for go do the restraining order. Still a drag my foot for go do the restraining order. Cause me I say, alright, me no want to stop this young man from can't go nowhere. Me no want to stop him from do all of that because even though me I think to myself, getting a restraining order might rile him up more, might piss him off more. If this young man really gone to the point of no return, me doing a restraining order, me know say he can't really help me because a restraining order only gonna make police know who do something happen to you. Then the time they me done gone already, everybody a go done know who do something to me. If something happen to me, the whole entire world a go know who do me something already. So the restraining order that means the police a go sit down on me yard every day truth me going out and coming in. Restraining order only really help man when a then sound mind we really no want go jail. But when somebody no in a their sound mind now I reach to the point where them no give a fuck about jail or prison or death. Remember we watch these things for ID. People kill you and kill all themselves. You see me? So there and then now the restraining order that that only really can do so much. So there and then now as me say, me drag my foot last week, Wednesday police then come. Tuesday or Wednesday morning. Then now as me say, Thursday now, 2 days after that now, me sit down in my yard now because me I tell myself, say, alright, see my position here in my yard, me not go hide it from you. See it ya? My garage there, so my garage lock. One time, me usually sit down in my garage with my garage wide open in peace. Me dare not lift up this blood clot here again. So you see what me do, you see when me park my vehicle, you so if me out a door, me barely sit down on this a chair where me can't have an angle to watch up the road. If not now come, me ease up. So after me call the police, while you me get comfortable little bit and me sit down here so back of the car to an angle low. Any vehicle come, me get up and try to look. And 2 days in a row after the police again, me still catch the vehicle. Me still catch the vehicle where this young man here drive up and down pa me black same way. And then have the nerves to text me for say, I saw me make them feel safe, then a grave. I saw me make them feel safe, then a grave. You know what that mean? You know what that mean? Meaning say me a drive up and down, yes, so till me can really do nothing. And for say people can still be sitting with him and receiving these conversations and still sit down and have a giggling conversation with you with all them the thing they do. Me have to wonder what really are going on in this world. Yeah. Me have to make up my mind for say to myself, say what really are going on in this world. Yeah. Because say boy, me fear hear about my life, I go lose months and months and me can wind up and lose my life to blurt it. Certain people me no want at me funeral if something fi happen to me. And my friends Zenwar don't know that. Zenwar don't know a set when if show up. Don't turn up. Don't come light no candle over me. No bring no rate. If something was to happen to me. You see me? Kali can't come at my funeral tonight. Kali can't come at my funeral tonight if something was to happen to me. Cause you're not dead for me, bro God. You're not dead for me, bro God. You're not dead for me, bro God. So anything all happen to me, no look for me funeral cousin. Consider me dead from now. Consider me dead from now. You see me? Consider me dead from now. Consider me dead from now. I mean, know one way or the other, you must hear this. 2,000 people depend this. So if you not depend this, I for sure say, alright, uno no care. Uno no care. Uno no care what happened to me. 2,000 people depend it, and I bet one of my friend them. Well, uno know uno self, uno no depend ya. Because guess what? Uno no want watch it because uno want go like uno no know. And every time something happen, uno can't say, me then know say this still a go on. The world know say boy still a trouble you. Me then the world know. The world know uno no know. You see me? None of uno no do nothing for me fail me with this. Join in the live and share some stuff. That a way I say no. Why you want to join the live? You can tell the people them say you see me I sell weed. Me don't tell them that already. Why you go come tell the people them like you say me if you tell the people them say me hand me rotten out. And if you tell the people them say me foot dry. See me I tell them me see me I show them myself. Tell the people them say me ugly without me wig. See it me day here this morning. Me not have no makeup. So just tell them everything where you want to tell them. Me ugly, me rotten out. Me foot then dry. See them there. Yes, me I tell them. Me back a hurt. Me a night time. Yes, me I tell them myself. So go on now go tell them anything where me stink. Go on go tell them anything where you tell them and just call it a day. Yeah. Call them and tell them. Me have bump on me body. Call them and tell them. Show them the video where show them the one video where you have. Show them. Show them. Tell them say me suck your caca. Me you suck for me pussy. Tell them, just get it over with. Just get it over with. Tell them wherever it is that you want to tell them. Tell them so you fuck out my belly from corner to corner. Just tell them. Because everybody knows say anybody they them a fuck out belly from corner to corner. Everybody. From two people they them a fuck and suck them a suck. From two people there. So just come with all them the part idea because them they are all over me. And them they are all over me. And them are not much all over me. Yeah, you fuck up my belly from corner to corner. Yeah, me a talk about it. I am talk about it. Me never say you. Saying me. Because it you go run with that. It you walk and tell people say, oh, Wally no say in a wrongdoings and Wally herself this morning. So there and then now you can't hold that over me no more. You can't hold that from me over no more. So tell them, see me and me glare where you say a rotten out, see it ya, they see it today now. So they don't want to hear nothing about it. See it ya, see me foot ya wet dry, see it ya, they see it this morning, they see it this morning. So that done for now. That done for now. Me suck cock, you suck sal, that part I they done for now. The part which else part they fi come. See me ya. And I know them a see me, and I know them a see me fi decide whether me ugly or not. Them a see me because I've never been afraid person fi come public in any kind of way. Not without makeup or any of that. That have one fuck fi do with me. But when me ready, me can't do me makeup and me work hard enough. I can't do me fucking ear when me feel like do it and do whatever the case may be. So me glad for this ugliness so me have. Me won't even call it ugly. Me two-faced. Me is a chameleon. Because me can look like anything I want to be. So me never have the problem there with the ugliness there. So tell them all of them there's something there where you're flooding and me message. You're fucking ugly. You're this or you're that. You stink, you're this or you're that. And on the next side you want to try to say, alright, you love. You nobody now love nobody and tell the people them what think say you're somebody. You think say you're somebody. Your hand migla rotten out. You stink. You this, you that, you that, you that. Alright. All of that we get that out of the way. All of that we get that out. Just leave me alone now, brother. Just leave me alone. Everybody still don't know about you and know who you be. Everybody still don't know. So this life as much damage as what you think it a do, it really not do. Because number one, the people them where Orlando we might know you like that. All of them literally know so you do fuckery already. So this is not nothing you don't go make them know to the level of what you do. So this not do you nothing. And 90% of who watch you so as strangers, them still don't know who you be. So nobody can use this now and talk about, oh, you mash up my life, and that may cause you go there. You talk about the reaction them. You talk about something where somebody reach their last fucking straw. I'm a last straw, I'm reach what me reach so now. But when you go repeat it, you go make it seem like, and these are the things when me do make you go kill me. Look how long me take for do this. Look how much months it take for me make a phone call to a police number. Look how long you terrorize me. Look how long you terrorize me. Stop now, man. You come across people in a year and then try with you. But your madness does make anybody at all from they have sense at all. Nobody now go uphold with you and do a next woman this. Nobody now go uphold with you and do a next woman this. No care what you tell them. You keep on and tell people, say, oh, she'll go like say the break up when me and her have me a do the live. That I just know. That are 6 months in. That is 6 months in. That is 6 months in. What the Carters? Oh, the Carters. Sometimes I wonder if I'm not mad. What is the Carters? Oh, the Carters are going to help me in this. You give me a perfect example of how you think the Carters could help me in this. Jesus Christ, sometimes you have so adult boy, I wonder how now meds me, I tell you. Somebody just say a while ago, isn't she friends with the Carters? Why can't the Carters help her? How the Carters are going to help me in this situation? You tell me. You tell me. Oh, Jesus Christ. Stacy no matter because me did I do it too. Me did I do it too. So it make no difference. And he might threaten me every day with video where I'm going to leak or whatever the case may be. So that not make a difference at this point. Exactly, Ranila. If me was such a bad person and all of that, then now you know let me be then, man. And move on to somebody else. And I am sure some people around there take the cock and some girl around there take the cock. Some one I wonder where ended up a fuck him now. No try to comfort him, no man. Or do something, man. All I know where they're around there now we are taking cock. You try to comfort a young man and stuff. Things like this happen sometime. Jesus Christ. Go on here, man. When me say me tired, me tired. When me say me tired, and me say me not see no help I come through. Me not see no help, me not see no way out. Me don't know how me get myself tired with this a mad situation, this a mad bumper clot boy. Remember me I tell you, me say me ask him man about 3 weeks ago, say boy me for really lose my life because you go through a heartbreak. My mother really ball and my son for ball because you go through a heartbreak. You can't imagine. You can't imagine. You can't imagine. You're not born as St. Catherine.
You're not born at all, you're not born at mobile, so you're not used to certain type of sitting there if you hear somebody and tell them about kill you every day. I'm tired. I'm tired. Me not do not have deserve this. Me not do not have deserve this. Me I tell a man. So me try to keep me head up. Me try to keep myself up. Me try to enjoy myself. Throughout the week when me there, me yard they get lonely. The situation come like people no want nothing to do with it till me I tell her say. My yard were usually full of people. My yard were usually full of people night and day. Nobody no more. Nobody no more. So that I show me say everybody a run from the situation. Everybody a run from the situation and I take come and find life. Don't call me. I'm not coming off, girl. I'm not come off of the life. I'm not come off. So it is what it is today. You don't leave me alone. You don't leave me alone, fire. You don't leave me alone. Nobody no call me. Nobody no call me. Me say my place where usually full of people every day. One night time, me say, would you no stop call me? Me say, stop call me. Me not coming off of the life. Anybody will call me from a 386 number, stop call me. Zenora, stop call me. Hey, Zenora, me say, stop call me, sweetheart. Me know you have my best interest, Zenora, but stop calling me. I'm not coming off of the life. I beg your respect.